Expect the real estate markets to fall significantly in the next 6 months. This is actually very perturbing what's going on here, because generally speaking, when inflation rears its ugly head, people get out their wallets to buy now to avoid buying higher price goods in the future. So they say, man, if I can buy something at 100 in 2 years from now, it's going to be 102. I'm going to buy now. With inflation, it's a self-perpetuating motion machine where it says, okay, if I can buy today at 100, or if I wait till next year to buy 102, I'm going to buy it today at 100. So basically, I'm bringing money forward to purchase something today so I can pay lower prices in the future. And as such, in the future comes, if I can buy it next year at 102, I'm in next year at 102, I'll buy it now as opposed to waiting until the following year at 104. It just creates this, self-perpetuating circle here. Same thing with deflation. Deflation is the exact opposite. If I hold out on purchasing something today at 100 and I can wait a year, next year will be at 98, I'm going to wait. The following year is at 98. I said, well, I'm just going to wait another year to 96. And that's the perpetual motion machine. That's not what's happening here. It's not. Check this out, man. It's we got the this is from Zero Hedge, the University of Michigan inflation expectations. Look at that. I mean, it fell off of the last month. It fell, but still way high up here. Highest it's been since 2000 and right there, about 2011. But check this out. This is nuts. Unfavorable perceptions of market prices reduced overall buying attitudes for vehicles and homes to their lowest point since 1982. The record spread between home builder confidence way up here and home builders buyer sentiment is way down here. So what does this mean? Home builder confidence is way high. What are they going to start doing? They're going to start building more homes. Home buyer sentiment is way here, which means they're going to start demanding less homes. So supply increases, demand falls off a cliff. What does that do to price? It doesn't take a rocket science here, man. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at that. Look at that. So here's a home buyer sentiment, home builder sentiment is the highest since 1982. Here's a home buyer sentiment is the lowest since 1982. Yeah, it's crazy, and yet inflation is still through the expectations are still through the roof, even they've fallen quite a bit in the last month, but still, look at this. It's crazy. Hope sparks bounce in Michigan sentiment, fears of soaring prices at 47-year highs. I mean, there's only one way to look at this, my friends, is that if you're thinking about buying a rental, and we got the CDC, I think they've been slap around, and hopefully they're slap around for good. What is the CDC doing to tell home landlords that they can't charge rent? What the hell is that, man? I mean, look, you want to vote on that's one thing. CDC shouldn't be. It's crazy. Everybody knows that. Hold on a second. The CDC moratorium is going away. We know that. The stimulus checks are going away. The unemployment benefits are going away. So you're going to have a lot more people with less disposable cash, buying less stuff. Hold on a second. You have less money coming in from people. You have more supply coming in, and you have less demand coming in. That inherently means prices are going to drop. So again, if you're looking at a second home, a vacation home, a beach home, a mountain home, or something like that, you're looking to buy some rental real estate. I don't know, whatever. If you have cash on the table, you might be able to buy some serious good properties in a few months. Now, what I got a kick out of Zero Hedge, they did talk about BlackRock. Man, we got to break these guys up. BlackRock is buying everything in sight. If you sell a house, a buyer might be a pension fund. So that can always put a little bit of a crimp in the system here in terms of who is the actual buyer. But I mean, I'm telling you, man, if you have less demand and you have more supply, and not only is demand lessened, but the demand is falling through the basement here, that is not good for home prices, I would think. I would expect to see some significant declines in home prices. It'll be interesting to see. Prove me wrong. Let's see you. I'd like to hear your comments. We'll see you.